Over these past few months, I've met many friends from overseas. A lot of you can speak several languages. I live in Guangdong Province, China. This place has a developed economy and a diverse population. In ancient times, Guangdong absorbed many immigrants from the Central Plains, eventually forming three main dialects: Cantonese, Hakka, and Chaozhou dialect. I'm a Hakka, so I grew up speaking Hakka. When I was a child, I lived in Guangzhou for a while and learned Cantonese there. Cantonese is quite popular in Hong Kong, Guangdong, and Chinatowns in the US. Education in China is based on Mandarin and English, which is why I learned both. I also spent 3 months learning Japanese and mastered its pronunciation system. In the process of learning languages, I believe the most important parts are the pronunciation system and vocabulary mapping. If I can say a word, I can also understand it when I hear it. For example, I can say one, and if someone else says one, I can understand it. At the same time, I need to establish mappings between languages. For instance, since I know Chinese, if I want to learn the English word one, I need to create a mapping between one and E. This is also the idea behind the Mandarin app Hanzi Pro that I designed. First, the app must provide mappings between vocabulary so that I can quickly establish connections between languages. It also needs to provide pronunciation so that users can speak and understand. Finally, there is the repetition and practice, where users can plan their reviews based on the difficulty of the vocabulary. Currently, I am still working on establishing mappings between Chinese and English, which will take a few more months. But I know that many of my friends do not have English as their native language. So in the future, I will prioritize the United Nations official languages, including French, Russian, Spanish. A few days ago, I met a teacher who speaks English, French, and Spanish. She said I could reach out to her if I need help in the future. I was really happy, and it felt like I was connecting with people all over the world. Finally, I am really curious, what languages can you speak?